Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cut up green onions. Before we get into today's video, be sure to subscribe to our channel. So cutting up green onions is super simple. You want to make sure that you give them a quick rinse first, and then you want to cut off the root end. And really, you could go for either end. When I do green onions, I like to go from the stem side, and then I like to save the roots and put them in water because they will regrow. And so then you don't have to buy green onions anymore. You just snip a little bit off whenever you need some. That's my little hack for you. Just save the roots, put them in a little cup of water near your window or near a window, and they will regrow. So cut off whichever end, and then you're going to just make slices. You want to try to make even slices, and some recipes will call for like the white part of the green onion, and some will call for the green part. The green part is usually for like garnish type things. The white part is usually for like flavor type things. The green part, if you cook it, kind of wilts and it like shrivels up. You know, my other tip is that if you cut up all of the green onions and say you just want to use it to like sprinkle on whenever you want to have green onions, like maybe you have some noodles that you're having, you can take your green onions, put a little paper towel in the bottom of a Tupperware container, and then put your green onions in there and put them in the fridge, and they'll stay good for about a week or so, as long as the container is airtight. But that's it. If you want to see more videos, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.